So Harsha, the night before the exam, why are you not stressed?
Because as you can see,
Mhm.
the work done, like these many papers is come to one paper.
Actually, summarize just the way we do.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going through the mistakes which you have done across multiple papers. Okay, how is this helping?
This is helping in a way like precisely I am able to see what mistakes I should not repeat in the exam.
Okay.
So if the question comes in similar lines, so I'll be able to strike, मतलब that will strike me कि ये mistake is the best possibility that I'll do, so I should avoid this mistake.
Okay.
So at least this mistake I won't repeat in
Okay.
the exam.
So this is how you're using the exam mistake tracker, where your objective is not to repeat the mistakes.
Yes, yes. And then the entire material has come to very concise notes. Like these are the papers, 11 papers like these.
Okay.
Is all I have to revise for the
So
exam.
you're completely focused on exam papers. That's about it. So that is your learning material.
Yes, yes.
So what would you do if a new question comes?
The base is set.
Okay.
So even if new question comes, at least 50% marks or मतलब somewhere near I'll be able to fetch. बस stress is what वहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए.
Okay.
It's not here, then there it will not be.
So what is keeping you calm?
This preparation only is giving me a lot of calm. Like this tells that I have done a lot of work till now, so I should trust myself. I should trust my preparation, and stress also will lead to no preparation.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's better to not get stressed and prepare as much as possible.
Fantastic. And what's the approach for tomorrow? So you'll have 4 hours before the exam to study, 4 to 5 hours. So what are you going to do on the exam day tomorrow? And what is your strategy during the exam?
Before exam, obviously this material only re-revise and MCQ booklet that I've processed. And then during the exam, it will be like first processing 2 questions, which like 6th and 5th question, and out of both I'll select which question I should do, and then 5th and 4th and 4th and 3rd. This how I'll be having a order कि किसमें like what will fetch me more marks in the earlier possible time. And then obviously the 6th question or 5th question whichever I'll be picking, उसका थोड़ा processing beforehand on the paper itself.
Fantastic. And finally, how helpful was Manju in your last cycle?
Last cycle में Manju was like totally the index which I've not covered. उसमें भी she was like, this question has to be processed like this. The question will be very big, but what data exactly has to be fetched and put on paper is what she told. I applied that thing on multiple questions and it helped. Like I was able to